This is a clay pot, a small plant, and I have well draining soil in it. I have had garden soil, sand, and also a little bit of cocoa peat and some rocks. Guess what? You guess the plant that I'm going to put in this small plant. So today I will be sharing you some of the details about growing this beautiful plant, Lotus Kamal, or we know it as Lakshmi Kamal. Now when I brought it from a nursery, I put it along with these beautiful sansevieria plants because the soil is the same, well draining soil, and also these plants also not getting watered every day. So I put it here. Now I'm going to remove it from this bigger plant. Okay, this is it. You can see some small sprouts also appearing in the plant. So stay tuned until the end because I'll be sharing with you some of the tips and tricks of growing this beautiful Lakshmi Kamal plant. Now I'm putting it in this separate plant, and since this plant is a succulent, friends, you don't need to water it on regular basis. Don't go to pour water, and just leave it in a corner where it will get indirect sunlight, same as you do with your jade plants. No need of watering every day. Make sure to shift it during the rainy season to an area where they will not get too much of rainy water, and don't go to overwater this plant. Lotus Kamal plant being a succulent, it needs indirect bright sunlight, so it can tolerate 4 to 5 hours of morning sunlight. Put them in a well drainaged hole plant. So make sure there's a good drainage hole, and when you water also, do not pour water on the top of the plant. Make sure to water on the sides of the plant. So that will be enough. Depending on the weather conditions of your country, check the soil and water. So succulent soil is the best for this plant, and these plants you can propagate easily with a single leaf. Wonderful plant to have in your garden. This is also another lucky plant. And also couple of things not to do. Do not overwater, and do not keep it in a very bright area also, where they will get the bright direct sunlight. So this is also another jade plant variety. You can treat it the same way. So do not overwater. Do not let the soil get soggy. Those are the things that you shouldn't do. And make sure that there's a good drainage hole. So these are the basic tips of growing this beautiful Lakshmi Kamal plant, or known as the lotus succulent.